Good morning, guys. It's Alan here, and today we'll be going over the signals that I sent out on the previous week. Right. So total, we had about 4 trades. We did have some limits that did not hit, so we did remove them. Right. So for the first trade of the week, we have a buy limit on Euro USD. It's gonna be right at midnight open, and it hits it right at a midnight open. So let's or a little bit after midnight open. But let's see the long position. So we do have a bottom of 620 right here. April 11, 620, midnight open. Oh, it's actually technically this one. Go to the 12. Yeah. So 620 right here. That was a buy limit with a stop at 400. That was a stop, about 20 pip stop. I was targeting equal highs above, basically up equal highs up there, and basically some highs up here. So that was a TP. That was a trade I wanted to take. However, we saw price move higher, start breaking down, and I'll go down, drop it to a lower time frame. You guys can see that it starts disrespecting kind of bullish order flow. I really didn't want to see it come back down into this area. But as we saw, price keep going higher, starts respecting bearish order blocks. I send out a close at break even, right? Just to get rid of this trade because I did not like how it was reacting, right? And after this big false move higher, I decided to change my bias for the week, because I did want to see EU go higher, but now for me, I want to see EU go lower. So for tomorrow, the next day, so this is the first trade of the week. The next day, we have a buy Euro USD on the, I think, the hour. Yeah. So 8720. 720. Am I tripping? I don't see it. 720.085. It was on 12. Oh, yeah, it's right here in 30 minutes. I see it. Okay, yeah, totally forgot that was on the 30-minute, not on the hour when I took that trade. So 30 minutes. So I see this beautiful bullish order block here, right? Price comes up, sweeps highs. I expect to come down. I want to see it attack this gap here, right? So as price moves higher, I get in, I send out a buy signal here with stop loss resting underneath this order block right here. So about 500, 22 pip stop loss, 1%. Stop loss does get hit for this one because you see that there's no movement higher from this. So after this trade here, I decide, hey, we're down 1% for the week. And it looks like EU wants to continue going lower for lower lows. So I changed my bias. I'll let everyone know in the chat, hey, I'll be changing my bias. I'll be shorting EU tomorrow. So the following night comes around, right? Midnight New York happens. EU runs higher here. This is, to me, was a very valid Judas. I send out a sell signal right here, about 4.4. And then a stop loss is a little wide, 1.08, right? 30 pips. I was expecting to say, hey, if there's news to push it higher, it would, don't want to see it come up here. Then price comes down lower, attacking this, taking out the lows here and here, which is where I TP'd out. So this was a solid 1-to-1 trade. Very, very simple. There was a re-entry here that I let people know about. When it came back up higher, I was like, hey, you guys can re-enter this trade here and then take it down here. So which is what I think most students did. Take the entry here, take it down here. Very, very solid trade, plus 35 pips, plus 1% gain on this trade here. So now we are break even for the week, right? And the next trade, the last trade of the week, is USDCAD. So we have USDCAD at April 14th right here, which is at 741. So this was a very, very, very quick trade, okay, on USDCAD. So as soon as I see price dip lower here, this was my original entry, right? As soon as I wanted to see, wait for confirmation, as soon as I saw price start attacking higher, which is here, I sent out a buy entry for the students. As soon as I see them, hey, they look like they want to continue running higher, I sent out a buy entry for the students right here. 25950 right there. So that was the entry right there. Stop was at 2575, which is here, resting underneath that order block. So this was the entry, and I did send a close at 262. So this was the trade setup where she was like 1 to 1.2, or I just said 1 to 1, depending on your entry, because this was a very, very quick entry, like I said. So probably just a 1-on-1 trade for most of you guys. So ending the week off plus 1% on the week. Not the greatest week, but like I said, like you guys have to remember, ICT says only 6% a month. You know, you can be a millionaire in 7 years. That's all it takes. All right. So don't rush. Don't try to over leverage and try to catch, 13, 15% a month. All you really have to do is 5 to 8% a month, and you're solid. You're on the top 1%, because you got to understand this, like 5 to 8%. If you think about that on like a $100,000 account, that's 5 to 8 G's for you guys, just from trading right there. And I think that's above 90% of the wage, like the pay in the US already. So you guys don't have to try to aim for 15 to 18K a month when you're trading that many times, right? And like IC always says, you have to take it slow. It has to be consistent, right? You don't want to just have 15% gain 1 month and then blow the account the next. It just, at that point, you're just negative profit right there. All right. So I know a lot of you guys been asking, like, hey, can you send out more trades? Can you send out more trades? Like, hey, I don't really feel comfortable sending out bad trades for you guys, and I want to be sending out the best trades possible, the ones I personally think that are going to win, right? I just trust my setups, and over time, consistency shows. Every single month I've been profitable. You guys can check the results. You guys can message me about them. I have all the trades documented, all the results documented. Every month I've been profitable is because I've been taking a lower amount of trades, but they've been pretty good trades. All right. So I just want you guys to remember that, Sloan said he always wins the race. Don't try to rush the progress, right? And it hurts nobody except yourself, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed this weekly breakdown of the signals. If you guys are interested in the signals, you guys already know, message me in the link below on Instagram. If you guys are interested in looking at the results, send me a DM. I'll send you the results. I have everything put out on Excel, all the trades I've taken, all the trades I've sent and taken in the Excel sheets, so you guys can see how the results are every month, right? But yeah, that's your today's video. Hope you guys have a great trading week. Hope you guys have a great day. Good luck and good trading.